Every medicine that reaches the market is supported by an enormous amount of scientific data. But regulators do not review this data in a random format. They follow a standardized structure known as the Common Technical Document or CTD. The CTD was developed through the International Council for Harmonization to create a unified format for regulatory submissions. It allows pharmaceutical companies to prepare one core dossier that can be submitted to multiple regulatory agencies, including the FDA, EMA, CDSCO, and PMDA. This harmonization reduces duplication, improves efficiency, and enables global drug development. The CTD is divided into 5 modules. Each module serves a specific purpose and contains a specific category of information. Module 1 contains regional administrative information. This section is not harmonized because regulatory requirements differ between countries. It includes application forms, cover letters, prescribing information, labeling, patent details, and other country-specific documents. While the scientific data remain the same across regions, Module 1 must be adapted for each regulatory authority. Module 2 provides high-level summaries of the entire submission. It is designed to help reviewers quickly understand the key scientific and regulatory conclusions without reading thousands of pages. Module 2 includes the quality overall summary, the non-clinical overview, and the clinical overview. It also contains written and tabulated summaries of pharmacology, toxicology, and clinical findings. This module plays a critical role because it presents the benefit-risk assessment in a concise and structured manner. Module 3 focuses on quality information, also known as chemistry, manufacturing, and controls. It describes the drug substance and the drug product in detail. For the drug substance, it includes information on synthesis, characterization, specifications, analytical methods, and stability. For the drug product, it covers formulation development, manufacturing process, container closure systems, and finished product specifications. This module ensures that the medicine can be consistently produced with the required quality, purity, and strength. Module 4 contains the non-clinical study reports. These studies are conducted in laboratory systems and animal models before human trials begin. They include pharmacology studies that show how the drug works, pharmacokinetic studies that describe absorption, distribution, metabolism, and elimination, and toxicology studies that evaluate potential risks. The purpose of this module is to establish a safety profile and justify the transition to human clinical trials. Module 5 contains the clinical study reports. This is often the largest and most critical module. It includes data from Phase 1, Phase 2, and Phase 3 clinical trials. It also contains study protocols, statistical analyses, patient demographics, efficacy results, and comprehensive safety data. This module demonstrates whether the drug is effective for its intended use and whether its benefits outweigh its risks in the target population. Together, these 5 modules provide a complete scientific and regulatory story of the drug. Module 1 addresses regional administrative requirements. Module 2 summarizes the key findings. Module 3 ensures product quality and manufacturing control. Module 4 establishes non-clinical safety. Module 5 confirms clinical efficacy and safety. The CTD is not just a filing format. It is a logical framework that connects research, manufacturing, and clinical science into a single structured submission. Regulatory affairs plays a central role in CTD preparation. It coordinates data from multiple departments, ensures compliance with ICH guidelines, and manages the electronic submission process. It also maintains consistency across modules, verifies cross-references, and ensures that the scientific message is clear and aligned. A well-organized CTD can significantly reduce regulatory review time. A poorly prepared dossier can lead to major questions, requests for additional data, or delays in approval. For pharmaceutical companies, the CTD enables simultaneous submissions to multiple regions, supporting global product launches. For regulators, it provides a standardized format that makes complex data easier to evaluate. Understanding the CTD structure is essential for professionals in regulatory affairs, clinical research, and pharmaceutical development. Because behind every approved medicine is a CTD that presents its complete scientific evidence in a clear and harmonized way.